Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So again, as you can see, a very volatile expiry in the market. I really wasn't expecting such a volatile expiry. At least the end, I wasn't really expecting. What I was expecting is that after 3 p.m. we would see buying coming in, and we would go up even more from here. But as you can see, we saw a sell-off in the end, both in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. The sell-off was more severe in Nifty, however, right? So as you can see. Nifty, if you see, pretty much being bearish for the day. Bank Nifty, not so bearish, pretty much consolidating. So what I did was pretty simple, right? Bank Nifty took support from 42,400 levels, right? From here, the buying started and the buying started moving up and up and up. And when Bank Nifty started crossing 40,540, these levels, right, on the upside, I started shorting the 42,300 P and I held on to it pretty much for the whole day, even over here, because I knew that 40,400 was a very important zone over here, and we would see buying coming in from here, right? As you can see, we went down till 42,400, and then we saw a very good buying coming in till 42,600. And as you can see, I am pretty much, how many, sorry, yeah, I'm pretty much up 2.6% for today, and it was a very good expiry for me. Yeah, and it's pretty good because I exited somewhere over here itself. So what I did was I had shorted 40,300 P and then I shorted 40,400, which kind of shot up in the end, and I would have had to take a exit on higher prices if I wouldn't have exited before 3 p.m. But it's all right, I exited somewhere over here when the option was going around for 1.5 to 2 rupees. And yeah, I'm ending with 2.6% profit, which is very good for such an expiry. What can we expect for tomorrow is that, see, again, it's a very consolidating Bank Nifty again consolidating over here. So 42,400 becomes very, very, very important now on the downside. Any closing below 42,400 to 42,380, and we can expect a pretty good downside momentum at least till 42,000 tomorrow, right? 40,000, 40,000 to 100, all these levels we can expect to be tested tomorrow if we see any break below 42,400. If we also, even if we get a, even if we get a gap down opening tomorrow, as we can see that US futures are down heavily at this point. If we even see a gap down tomorrow, right? I'm sorry. Yeah. So what you can do is wait for a pullback somewhere till near 42,400 to 40,350. Once we get a pullback till here, you guys can then start shorting, and then aim for 42,000 to 100, 42,050, all these levels on the downside. On the upside, again, if we do open with a gap up, then it will kind of be a little bit of, kind of a little bit of consolidation, I'd say. I mean, there could be volatility because what will happen is that all these shorts, they will start getting trapped over here, who will be in the end. But at the same time, we have good resistances such as 43,000 and 42,800 that will act as good resistances. These levels, they could act as resistances, and we could be stuck in a range for tomorrow also. So yeah, if we will open with a gap down, I probably will look for very little risky trades, right? I will probably look for very less risk trades tomorrow, and probably just short some very far away options and just eat my theta DK, and that's about it. I won't go aggressive if you open with any sort of a gap up, right? If we open flat again, if we open flat and start crossing 42,400, then it's a pretty much a very easy sell signal that you're gonna get, and we can expect then a pretty good downside momentum. Nifty, on the other hand, as you can see, very bearish. Not very bearish, but looking more bearish than Bank Nifty. As you can see, Nifty kind of taking support from its previous swing over here that it had made. Now from over here, if we do open flat and start crossing 18,311, all these levels, we can easily expect 18,200 tomorrow to come, because then pretty much there is not much support after 18,260. So yeah, pretty much 18,260 then becomes your first target, after which you can expect 18,200, and maybe even this gap will also get filled um, after that we see from 18,050 to 18,200, right? Any sort of a gap up in Nifty, right? Somewhere near, if you see some sort of a gap up between 18,000, I mean below 18,400, then we could expect a little bit of volatility in Nifty, right? this could be a very volatile zone from 18,410 to 18,300. This will be a very volatile zone. So do not trade over here. I would not recommend. But above 18,400, if we start going above 18,405, all these levels, right, then we can expect 18,000, even 18,500 to come tomorrow, right? If we open with such sort of a gap up. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. I hope you like my video. And tomorrow, if you open with a gap up, I'm expecting that the market will be pretty bearish for some time, and then we could see buying again coming in. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow.